And welcome back to Just Wing It. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and RC model aviation enthusiasts all across the globe. What do we have today? Today we have the brand new E-flite Beechcraft D18. We're going to maiden this model. I'm out here at the dry lake bed, which is a perfect place to do a maiden flight. As it's unobstructed. If the wind changes direction, I can set up an approach in any direction. Right now the wind's coming from, I don't know, the northeast, I suppose. So we're going to try it. We're going to see what happens. I don't know how much battery is in my little Mobius, but I'll tell you what. I'm going to go ahead and go with half flap. There's my half flap setting. I've got a 3200 3-cell on board. I've got it just a little back, not much, but let's get busy. All right, this is a looker. I'll tell you what, this plane is just beautiful. So let's not dilly-dally and waste any time. I do not have safe enabled. So what you're going to see is going to be with the AS3X. Okay, so we're going to, okay, well, you got a little rock right there, but that's all right. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow. Up goes the gear, up goes the flaps. All right. Okay, she's doing great. She is doing wonderful. I'll tell you what. I've got some of that down elevator in the tail. So in any event, yeah, I need to go with a little up elevator. There you go. Beautiful. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna what are we going to do here? All right. Okay. Alright, much better. Alright, that's a little better. I'm only about half throttle right now, so as people have been saying, this plane really has plenty of power. This is on a 3-cell. Oh, just beautiful. I'll tell you what. Okay, I'm giving it some more up elevator. She's still not quite where I want it, but hey. Okay, alright. I have 5 minutes dialed in. I don't know how much I can get out of it, so I have 5. There we go. Oh, come on. Wow, just beautiful. Okay, and I've got, for some reason she's going a little to the right. That's okay. I hope you can see this, but she is beautiful. So, I'll tell you what, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, very, very cool. Very cool. And it's also cool too that I don't have to turn around and follow the model because the sun is actually at my back. It would be kind of a bad thing to to do the whole sun thing. We're gonna go ahead and go full throttle. That's a full throttle pass. And there's a nice little nice little reverse F-Cuban. All right, cool. All right, well, hey, she's flying, and now that the wind's picking up, so maybe it's time to. I got 3 minutes left. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna bring her up. We're facing to the wind. Gears coming down. Well, actually, flaps are down. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. She's kind of wallowing a little bit. Here comes the gear. Here comes half flap. And I'll tell you what, she doesn't want to come down. Okay. So let's give her some throttle into the wind here. Because I don't want to water up on her maiden landing. Oh. Now let's go around. Let's go around. Look at that. Wow. Punched out, baby. Punched out. She had plenty of power to do that. Holy moly spicoli. So let's try that again. I've still got half flaps in. There's a pretty decent wind at my back. And I got full flaps right now. So we're going to just steer towards the ground on a steady approach, constant steady approach. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. 2:14 left. Actually, you know what? I can do better than that. So let's do better than that. Alright, we're going to keep half flaps in. There's a bit of a wind, and I'll tell you what, this model does not want to come down. So let's do a much better landing. What do you say we do a better landing? All right. I say we do a better landing. Okay, let our weather vane in. All right, very cool. Oh, haha. See, now that's what you call a maiden landing. All right, very good. I'll bring the flaps up, taxi her back in, and give her pilot's impressions. And I'll show you where I've got the battery. I'm going to aileron into the wind just in case. Alrighty. Alright. Hi, shooting video. Hi. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright. I'll be done here shortly. Okay, we'll be done. Hey, thank you. Alright. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, well I guess this is brand new, just happened. I did not know that this is private property, but okay, I will move out. That said, I'm down to 1:45 on the box, so let's get the checker, my EOS Sentry, and let's see where we're going. Yeah, this must have changed hands because we've always flown out here. We usually fly a little further down that way, but hey, alright, whatever. No big deal. At least she was nice about it, and I'll be nice about it. I just simply won't do more flying. How about that? So anyway, let's see what we have. 65%. Wow. Okay. Okay, the battery went in at 98%. And you can see where I have my 3S 3200. Where's the other battery? That's not there. Okay, so you can see where I have it. I have it fairly forward, but in any event, not all the way forward. So there you go. So I'll go ahead and I'll unplug it. I've got my 65% right now. So that's basically storage level. We have 1:45, so we really only flew it for like 3 minutes 15 seconds. We'll go ahead and clear that. We'll zero that out, and we'll put the canopy back on, and we'll try and get her a little bit out of the sun as much as possible. You know what? Well, don't know if I can. So, all right, we'll set her right here. That's a little bit out of the wind. Okay. All right. Well, hey, thank you for joining me out here at the illicit flying field. Hey, that gal's great about it, and I guess I'll make sure I fly over. I don't know. We'll figure something else out. Okay, but the bottom line is, I wanted to be on the dry lake bed prior to maidening this because, again, if the winds happen to change direction or anything like that, then we can go ahead and adjust as necessary. But as you can clearly see, the plane has plenty of power on 3-cell. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure if you put it on 4-cell, it's going to have just tons of power. So in any event, hey, appreciate you joining me out here at the dry lake bed for the maiden flight of my E-flite Beechcraft D18. Hope you enjoy it. Much more to come. We'll start to get into some limited aerobatics and so forth and so on. And we'll try and show you maybe some loops here and there. I feel that on 3-cell, she'll probably have enough power to do some basic to limited aerobatics. I don't see that as a problem. So in any event, hey, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to see the maiden flight of the Beechcraft D18. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when more videos of this plane are coming up. And much more to come from Just Wing It. I've got a lot of videos coming yet from St. George. Have another event I'll be going to here shortly. A lot of videos to come out of that. So in any event, hey, thanks for checking this out. Beautiful plane. Hey, it flies great. I'll tell you what, flies super. Much more to come. So blue skies, happy landings, all the best from the Mojave Desert out here in Just Wing It. Cheers, everyone.